Icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
Hi guys, if you're new here, my name is Aza. Go ahead and subscribe. Guys, you can tell by my hair that I'm gonna put some locks in. So y'all already know I did do some locks, but I did not record myself doing it. So I'm gonna show y'all today. But they're gonna be the same, but not really the same because I'm adding like more stuff to it. So, but yeah, y'all, I'm so tired, but it's fine. My mom parted my hair for me, so yeah. So the stuff I will be using today is some jam, crochet needle. This hair is not together, y'all. The packs of blonde hair is separate. I think I ordered 4 packs of hair. I got this hair off Amazon, the blonde Locs off Amazon. The black locks I got off of, no, I got from the hair store. They was actually 18 inches, but I made them into 36 inches. So I will be showing y'all that as well. And I wanted some brown in it, so I got some other locks too. These are 36 inches as well. So I'm gonna have just a combination of blonde, black, and brown. Then I have some, okay, then I have some deep twist 22 inches, just some hair. It says braiding hair, but, your deep twist, braiding hair, so I guess this is braiding hair. But I'm gonna stick this into the locks to have like the little curl look, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm gonna do. Y'all, I'm tired. So I want y'all to bear with me. But I will have everything linked down below. Like the hair that I ordered off Amazon, have that link down below. And then I will also have everything I used today in the description box as well. And also let me show y'all a picture of my hair before, when I had these locks in. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So first I'm gonna just show y'all how to make a 36-inch Locs locks. So these are both 18 inches, both of these. So let me get my crochet needle. And then I still have another pack of the blonde Locs locks as well. I may use it to make it look more fresher. Oh, and y'all, I did my mom's hair as well. So y'all make sure y'all go check out that video, because that video will be out way before this one. Okay. And my other video, I made a wig too as well, so y'all go check that out. Okay, we're making a longer lock. You're gonna open up the lock at the bottom like this, just like this. Then you're gonna take the other 18-inch lock, open it, and you're gonna put one side through the loop. I'm trying to show y'all. The hair won't work right. Okay. And tie it to one side. And tie it to the other. Ooh, yeah. and you just wrap it around. Then you're gonna wrap the bottom piece around as well. And then you just and that's your long lock made together. So, yep. On these brown ones, on these brown locks, it says it's hot water set, so it can be you know, when your hair look frizzy, you can like put it in hot water, just like, you know, to get that frizz look out of it, you know, make it look good. So guys, right here, I'm finna put this hair in here. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it if I can remember.
I'm just gonna get mad right now.
So, with this hair, just all you gotta do is take your needle back through here. The phone is still on. Okay, so you're gonna take one side through. Does this look right? Hold on. Bear with me. Let me read this. You may have to keep doing this until you get it right. So. Is that wrong? So you're just gonna pull one side through. Come on, Cal, bear with me. It. And so that's it. So don't do too much because you probably won't look right. And that's it. But it don't have to be perfect. I know I was watching this girl on YouTube. She said you can just put mousse on it for like the curl to come back. So. But y'all will see how it's gonna look when I get done. But I just wanted to show y'all.
get that.